A Sarasota air conditioning maintenance worker will pay restitution and serve 5 years probation for using scare tactics to try to sell units to customers. Lawrence Ebbs Jr. pleading no contest in court yesterday to 2 counts of grand theft. According to court documents, Ebbs, who worked for All Seasons Comfort Specialists, would show up at customers' homes in Northport for a routine maintenance checkup and then tell them their units were leaking poisonous gases. The charges came about after the state investigated complaints.